Hello and welcome to our training. My name is David Miles. I'm the owner of Cash from Options LLC, and I'm also the senior investor and coach from that company. I've been a stock option investor since 1985, and I've been trading my current strategy that I learned through trial and error and over a long period of time, probably 7 or 8 years. I have been a certified stock market investment coach for Robert Kiyosaki for 12 years. And here's my contact information. This is my email address. Any questions, feel free to contact me about anything that you see or that are curious about. And here's my website. Before you can understand this video, and this is I call it the trade of the week, example of how my strategy works in real time. But you have to look at this video here, my consistent strategy, how I trade stock options for consistent profit. A lot of the verbiage that I use and the terms that I use in today's video will be explained there. And so take the time to learn the strategy and what I do. And these trades of the week will make a whole lot more sense to you. I plan on doing at least one a week. I usually make 4 or 5 a week. But the above video explains my complete option trading strategy that I've used and developed for many, many years. Nothing is left out. And you can view this video by going to my website, cashfromoptions.com, then clicking on the Resources tab and Recent Videos, and you'll see this video, my complete strategy, how I trade options. My trade of the week, this was Boeing, entered on November 15th, expiration 370. Strike, November 15th expiration, 370 strike price. I bought puts, entered on 10-2 and exited 10-18. This trade was made in real time, but are shown here for instructional purposes only. The trade is intended to demonstrate how my strategy is applied to stock options investing. And this assumes, this trade assumes my strategy was followed exactly, including stop losses. Trading stock options carries a high level of risk, and that is very true. People sometimes make it sound so easy. We can do this, we can do that, but it carries a high level of risk. And 94% of the people that trade options over a significant period of time lose money. Only 4% make money, and it's because of the high degree of leverage. You really got to get in at the right time and out at the right time. And I strongly suggest you get mentoring from a veteran trader. And I'll show you what I offer toward the end of this video. The trade setup. The primary sell signal day is on September 27th. The secondary sell signal day is October 1st, which puts me bearish on BA, and I'm looking for an entry point should one develop. Again, these primary signal days, secondary signal days are explained in the video. But here's the primary signal day right there, and there's a secondary signal right there on that day. So primary sell and secondary sell. I entered the trade here when it broke the 21-day moving average, because the 21-day will often act as support when candlesticks are above and resistance when they're below. So I entered the trade. It then rallied back up to the 21-day moving average, which began to act as resistance. And I explained this here, but it was my initial stop was above the 21-day moving average, and with that 21-day average holding as resistance, it gave me good information that a downside move was developing. Again, my stop was right up here. This was the day that it broke strongly down, and I took 1/2 profits right there, which is my habit. When the market gives me good profit, I take half my profits. I took half profits on 3 positions today, and we're in the remainder for the rest of the down move or up move should it develop. I exited the trade here based on that candlestick pattern right there. Good trade. Entered here, exited half here, and the full trade exited right there. And again, it moved to the 21-day and bounced off repeatedly. I've already explained that. And that was basically the trade. My complete strategy, again, to remind you, you need to look at this video. It'll explain my complete strategy, one that I trade options, short-term options successfully. And you may view this video again as a reminder by going to my website, cashfromoptions.com, then clicking on Resources tab and Recent Videos. Look over the shoulder of a veteran trader as I make trades in real time. I'm currently offering 50% off my complete coaching program. The total investment is $24.50, but for a limited time, I'm dropping it to almost 50%, $12.50. You may also bring a family member or a friend at no additional cost and share that fee. And this can bring your personal cost down to about $675. You can make that in one trade. Do it all the time. Take action today by going to my website and clicking on Coaching, then Packages and Pricing. You'll see my option strategy. I'll explain more about that. The entire website explains my trading strategy and more about myself. But when you're ready to take action, go to Cash From Options, click on Coaching and Packages and Pricing. If you keep doing what you're doing, your life will not change. I'm sure you've heard that. What would you do with your life starting tomorrow if money were literally no object? And if you can really think about that, there's going to be a huge difference of what your life looks like if you're not tied to a job, you have extra money to spend, travel, whatever. Build your future. Warren Buffett said, look at market fluctuations as your friend rather than your enemy. Profit from the folly rather than participate in it. Remember, 94% of traders lose money. You want to be the 4%. If you have any questions, you can email me at my email address there, david@cashfromoptions.com. We can discuss if coaching would be a good fit for you. I don't believe in high pressure. I am very honest about what you can expect, and it's consistent profits month in and month out. If you want to simply discuss how your current strategy is working, I'd be happy to do that. And again, no obligation. So check out the website for additional information. A lot of good information there, a lot of good free information that is available. So I invite you to take advantage of that. Best of luck in your trading, and I hope to see you in the top 4%. You guys have a great day.